Hi everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to use Claude websites to personalize and segment your lead database. So Claude website is basically a feature that will take a URL and then return the title, description, all the headings of the page, and then the complete text of the page. Not exactly the complete all the characters, but the 50K first characters. That's a lot of content to process by AI. So if we use an AI and give the content of the website to the AI, we can probably enhance our segmentation by asking the AI to filter companies or leads that doesn't fill one of my criteria. And we can also personalize our messaging based on what they sell on their website. Let me show you those two use cases. We'll start with the segmentation. I basically created a very simple prompt that says, you're a professional marketer, let me classify this company, return true if the company sells enterprise deals, false if they don't, return nothing else. Then I'd give them the company name and reference the E2 cell, basically the name of the company, and then the website content. You can see that I added the left function. Left is basically take the left characters up to 2,800 because I just want to take the first 2,800 characters coming from the page text, the complete text of the page. Why? Because, well, I want to, Derrick cannot process more than 3,000 characters when asking an AI. 3,000 characters is quite a lot. As you can see, that's the complete size of the page for OpenAI. But for this company, for Lagos Machine, there's 11,000 characters. Well, we don't need, and the AI don't need as much characters to classify this. So let's start. Doing so, we have a prompt that is basically looking like this. OpenAI, blah, 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 blah. And same for Anthropic. You're a professional marketer. This is the home of every Anthropic, etc., etc. And for Lagos Machine, same here. Okay, so now we will ask OpenAI, select the segmentation prompt, and then run the function. What it will do is basically return the exact response that OpenAI respond. We'll wait for that. Okay, so as you can see, the prompt has been asked. So we asked the AI if OpenAI, then Anthropic, and then Lagos Machine proposed enterprise deals. OpenAI and Anthropic proposed enterprise deals, but not Lagos Machine. And so we can start filtering our lead database based on that criteria. Now we'll move on to the next phase, write an email for that person, but personalize the introduction based on the content of the page. So we'll probably want to say something about what they do as the first sentence. I write the prompt and show you. Okay, so I wrote this prompt, you're a professional sales marketer trying to contact, and then I put the first name, a space, the last name of the person, basically what I had at the very beginning. Working at the company. You work for Derrick, company that helps people get data from web, LinkedIn, Google websites, etc. directly in Google Sheet. It's super useful for people working in sales and sales ops team. I will give you the details of what my lead company does, and I want you to write a cold email to that person to ask him who I should contact inside this company to talk about that topic. Return nothing else but the body of the page, of the message. Here is the company, how the company describes itself. And it basically returned me, hi Sam, I hope this message finds you well. I'm reaching out from Derrick, a company dedicated to streamlining data acquisition directly into Google Sheet, particularly beneficial for teams Our platform simplifies the integration, blah, blah, blah. Given OpenAI innovative environment, I believe there could be significant synergy between our offering. Could you kindly direct me to the appropriate personnel team within OpenAI, blah, blah, blah. Or, in this case, given a topic innovative work at 99, you focus on building measurement. As you can see, they used the content, the AI used the content of the home page to specify, to write the personalization for that message. If you have any question, feel free. Bye.